Hello students, let's do some more questions for your board exams from the chapter inverse trigonometry. We have cot inverse 9 plus cosec inverse root 41 by 4 equals to, we have to find the answer. Now बच्चे, cot inverse x can be written as tan inverse 1 by x. In place of cot inverse 9, what we will write? Tan inverse 1 by 9 plus cosec inverse root 41 by 4. We will take this whole term as theta. Cosec inverse root 41 by 4 equals to theta. Taking cosec inverse on the right hand side, root 41 by 4 equals to cosec theta. Now if we take a right angle triangle and this is angle at theta, ABC is a triangle right angle at B and angle PCA is theta. What is cosec? Cosec is reciprocal of sine root 41 by 4 hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now what is BC? Using Pythagoras, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square 41, root 41 square is 41 equals to AB square is 16 plus BC square 41 minus 16, 25 equals to BC square. And what is BC? 5. Now check. What is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent 4 by 5. We have to find the value of theta. Now if tan theta is 4 by 5, what will be value of theta? Tan inverse 4 by 5. We can write theta as tan inverse 4 by 5. Now in place of theta, what will we write? Tan inverse 4 by 5. Now we know our formula. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B equals to tan inverse A plus B upon 1 minus AB. What will we get? Tan inverse 1 upon 9 plus 4 by 5 upon 1 minus 1 upon 9 into 4 by 5. We get tan inverse 45 LCM. 9 5s are plus 5 9s are 9 4s are 36 upon LCM is 45. 45 minus 4. 45 and 45 get cancelled. What is left? Tan inverse 41 by 41, that is tan inverse 1. And what is tan inverse 1? Tan inverse 1 can be written as tan inverse tan pi by 4. And what is tan inverse tan theta? Is theta. Therefore, pi by 4 is our answer. Therefore, the answer of this question is pi by 4. Evaluate tan 1 by 2, cos inverse root 5 by 3. 4 options are given. Now, first what will we do? We will take cos inverse root 5 by 3 as theta. Taking cos inverse on the right hand side, root 5 by 3 equals to cos theta. Tan 1 by 2. In place of cos inverse root 5 by 3, what will we write? Theta. We have tan theta by 2 and tan theta by 2 can be written as sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Now what is sin theta by 2? Actually we have formula. What is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta plus 1 upon 2 equals to cos square theta. And what is cos theta? Cos 2 theta plus 1 upon 2 whole under root. This is cos theta. We want cos theta by 2. What will be the value of cos theta by 2? If we have theta here, We have taken 2 theta this at this place. Cos theta by 2 will be cos theta plus 1 by 2. In place of cos theta by 2, what can we write? Cos theta plus 1 upon 2 whole under root. What about sin theta by 2? What will we write? We have another formula. Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. What is 2 sin square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta, and if we have to find the value of sin square theta, upon 2 on the right hand side. Now what will be the value of sin theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, and if we have to find the value of sin theta by 2, angle is half. What will we write here? Under root 1 minus cos theta by 2, half of this angle. Now in place of sin theta by 2, what will we write? 1 minus cos theta upon root 2. We have separated it. Upon cos theta by 2 under root cos theta plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 and root 2 get cancelled. What is tan theta by 2 equals to? Under root 1 minus cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? 1 minus root 5 by 3 upon cos theta plus 1, 1 plus root 5 by 3. What do we get? Under root 3 minus root 5 by root 3 upon under root 3 plus root 5 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing it from here. Now what is left with us? Root 3 minus root 5 whole root upon 3 plus root 5 whole root. Now bachche, we have an irrational number in the denominator. What we have to do? We have to rationalize it. We will rationalize it with under root 3 minus root 5 upon 3 minus root 5. Under root 3 minus root 5 into under root 3 minus root 5. What will we get? 3 minus root 5. Under root 2 into under root 2 is 2. Upon under root 3 plus root 5, 3 minus root 5. A plus B, A minus B. A whole square minus B whole square. 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. What do we get? 3 minus root 5 upon 3 square 9. 9 minus root 5 square is 5. 3 minus 5 root 4. That is 3 minus root 5 by 2. Therefore, our option A is the correct option. Find the value of sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Now, bache, very easy for you. Sin inverse sin theta equals to theta. Therefore, our answer should be 2 pi by 3. No, it is wrong answer. Sin inverse sin theta equals to theta if theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, close bracket. But what is 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3 is 120 degrees. Here we have minus 90 to 90. What will we do? In place of sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3, what can we write? Pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Now, we have 0 pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and again 2 pi. Pi minus pi by 3, we are in second quadrant, and sign is always positive in second quadrant. What is sin inverse sin pi minus pi by 3 is sin pi by 3. Now, what is sin inverse sin pi by 3 is pi by 3, because pi by 3 it belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 3, option C is our correct option. Cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 plus sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 is equals to 4 options are given. बच्चे what is cos inverse cos theta equals to theta? If theta is within its range of cos inverse, that is 0 to pi, 0 to 180, and sin inverse sin theta is equals to theta if theta is within range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now we have cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is 180. It is in its range. Cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 plus sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3 plus what about sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3? Sin 2 pi by 3 is 120 degree. It is not in its range. What will we do? We will write sin inverse sin in place of 2 pi by 3. We will write pi minus pi by 3. And we have done in the last question. What is pi minus pi by 3? Sin pi minus pi by 3 is sin pi by 3. And what is sin inverse sin pi by 3? Pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 3 pi by 3, that is pi. Therefore, option D is our correct option. Cos 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equals to 4 options are given. Now, what will we do? We will take tan inverse 1 by 2 as theta. And what will be the value of tan theta? Taking tan inverse on the right hand side, tan theta is 1 by 2. Now, here we have cos. We have taken only tan inverse 1 by 2 as theta. 2 is left, 2 theta. We have 4 formulas for cos 2 theta. Out of them, one is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. What is tan theta? 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square upon 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 4 upon 1 plus 1 by 4. What is 1 minus 1 by 4? 3 by 4 upon 5 by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. Our answer is 3 by 5. Therefore, option A is our correct option. Sin 2 sin inverse 4 by 5. 4 options are given. What will we do? We will take sin inverse 4 by 5 as theta. Taking sin inverse on the right hand side, 4 by 5 equals to sin theta. Now, what is left here? Sin 2 sin inverse 4 by 5 we have taken theta, sin 2 theta. We have 2 formulas for that. What we are taking? 2 sin theta cos theta. Value of sin theta is 4 by 5. We have to find the value of cos theta. How can we find? We have an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. What is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. And cos theta will be equals to under root 1 minus sin square theta. That is 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. That is 25 minus 16 by 25, 9 by 25, that is 3 by 5. We have taken only positive values. 2 into sin theta is 4 by 5 and cos theta is 3 by 5. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 by 25 is our answer. Therefore, option C is our correct option. If tan inverse x equals to pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 3, find the value of x. 4 options are given. We have tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by 3 on the left hand side equals to pi by 4. What is tan inverse a plus b? Tan inverse a plus tan inverse b equals to tan inverse a plus b upon 1 minus ab. What is tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by 3? Tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus x into 1 by 3 equals to pi by 4. Taking tan inverse on the right hand side, x plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus x by 3 equals to tan pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? 1. And taking 1 minus x by 3 on the right hand side, x plus 1 by 3 equals to 1 minus x by 3. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Now x plus x by 3 equals to 1 minus 1 by 3. What is x plus x by 3? 4x by 3 equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. X equals to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, option A is our correct option. Evaluate sine 2 cos inverse minus 3 by 5. What will we do? We will take this term as theta. Cos inverse minus 3 by 5 equals to theta. Taking cos inverse on the right hand side, minus 3 by 5 is the value of cos theta. Now we have here sine 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos theta is minus 3 by 5. What will be the value of sine theta? We have an identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. And sine theta will be root 1 minus cos square theta. That is under root 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. That is under root 1 minus 9 by 25. That is 16 minus 25 minus 9, 16 by 25 root. That is 4 by 5. Now 2 into quadrant is not given, that's why we are taking the value positive. 4 by 5 into cos theta is minus 3 by 5. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 by 25 is our answer. Evaluate sine inverse 3 by 5 minus cos inverse minus 4 by 5. Let's take this term as A and this term as B. We have taken sine inverse 3 by 5 as A. Taking sine inverse on the right hand side, we have sine A equals to 3 by 5. We have taken cos inverse minus 4 by 5 as B. Cos B will be equals to minus 4 by 5. Now here we have sine A minus B. What is sine A minus B? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now what is sine A? 3 by 5. What is cos B? Minus 4 by 5. We have written 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 minus. What is cos A? How can we find cos A? Cos A equals to under root 1 minus sine square A. That is 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. 25 minus 9, 16 by 5, that is 4 by 5 is the value of cos A. Cos A is 4 by 5 into, what is sine B? Sine B will be 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, that is 1 minus 16 by 25, 25, 9 by 25, that is 3 by 5. Now cos sine B will be 3 by 5. 4 3s are 12 by 25 minus 12 by 25, that is minus 24 by 25 is our